Elif was always known as the cheerful one. She smiled at everyone. She helped her family. She worked hard at university and never complained. But one day, everything changed. Elif was 25 years old and lived in Istanbul, Turkey. She had just started her first job at a marketing company in the city. Every morning she took the bus, bought simit from the bakery, and rushed into the office. Her days were full of meetings, emails, and pressure. Everyone thought she was doing well. But inside, Elif felt exhausted. Not just tired in her body, she was tired in her soul. She stopped talking to her close friends. She didn't feel excited about anything anymore. At night, she cried quietly in her room, but didn't know why. Elif tried to pretend everything was okay. She kept saying to herself, "I should be thankful. I have a job. I have a good family. I live in a beautiful city. I'm fine." But she wasn't fine. She couldn't sleep well. Her thoughts were cloudy. Even simple things like making tea or cleaning her room felt difficult. Her smile became something she wore like a mask. One evening, her manager asked her to stay late again. And that was the moment everything hit her. She went to the bathroom and cried silently. She was shaking and felt like she couldn't breathe. That night, she finally called her cousin and said, "I don't feel okay. I think I need help." The next day, Elif visited a doctor near her home. She felt nervous. She even felt a little embarrassed. But the doctor listened patiently. He didn't judge her. He said, "Elif, your feelings are real. It may be depression or burnout. It's okay to feel this way. You are not alone." Elif started therapy with a counselor once a week. She also made small, healthy changes. She took short walks by the Bosphorus. She started writing in a journal every evening. She slowly reconnected with her childhood friends. It wasn't easy. Some days were still very hard. But little by little, she began to feel lighter. Today, Elif still has ups and downs. But now she knows how to care for her mental health. She learned that asking for help is not a weakness. It is courage. She learned that rest is not laziness. It is healing. And she learned that it's okay not to be okay. Many people, just like Elif, suffer silently. But there is always hope, and there is always help. If you're feeling sad, anxious, or lost, please talk to someone, a friend, a teacher, a doctor. You are not alone. Your mental health matters. Take care of your heart and your mind, just like you care for your body, because you are important, and healing is possible.